Hi, I'm Aduky, and that's me playing dress up at my friend's wedding. Yeah, I know. This has nothing to do with learning Canva. But hold on a second, because I have something to say that I know you would want to hear. If you feel unsure what to do when you open up Canva, but have a strong interest in becoming good at it, then the message I have in my hand is pretty accurate. And it's for you. Do not worry. You've come to the right place. Because after over 2,000 designs and counting, I'm here to share everything I know and hold your hand to take you from beginner to pro. Allow me to be your design coach on this journey, serving tips and lessons you can easily follow and recreate. Join me in my design workshop where I'm helping beginner content creators build skills they can put to use. If that sounds like you, then please subscribe today and let's bring your designs to life. Now go on and join the club.